In my world, there are houses, there are wow houses, then there's the wow wow houses. All homes have stories, but this one is pretty special. This home offers waterfront, it offers friendly geese, it offers conservation property behind. You are literally living in peace and tranquility. I cannot wait for you to see it. Check it out. This home offers a dock. Can you imagine the memories being made out here from fishing in the river or catching crabs in the crab pot? If the water back here doesn't work for you, we've got an even better option at the house. We have an in-ground saltwater pool, which I can't wait to dip my feet in. Oh. This pool, it's really nice. Saltwater, in-ground. It's been really well taken care of. I feel like we need some kids, some grandkids, maybe some pups swimming around. This pool is made for making memories. Gosh, I wish I could jump in. A lot of times there's a huge population that wants to buy a waterfront property, but the stairs. You have to be elevated if you live on the water. It's just about safety and making sure that your home is built to handle any weather system that comes your way. What I love is that this home does have an elevator, so stairs, you don't have to use them. You have a safe way to get upstairs, plenty of room to fit yourself, your groceries, any other members of the family. We're going up. Look at this view. The waterfront, the dock, the pool, the studio. What else do you need?